Hey, this is Dean recharging up my battery. This is inside the car. It's what it looks. How many horsepower, Dean, do you think I'm looking at?
I think it's about two, I think.
Yep. The other one was?
That other one, the other battery, was about three.
So this is coming a close up. This is what it looks like inside. Yep.
That's it.
That's the model. That's what keeps me going.
So now we turn the transmitter
on.
And then we turn this on. Next.
Hear the beep. Yep, heard the beep. Beep. Model part goes on. This is another part of the video. He's now putting the model on. By the way, this car is called White Snake. So, yep, on it goes. All but getting itself ready. To remember, viewers, I had a speedboat before. Now another series on YouTube is coming up. Philip's White Snake remote control car.
There you go, you're all ready to fire up.
Ready to fire up. Ready for takeoff. You ready?
Yep. There she goes.
This one won't last long, though, will it?
I don't think it did last time. Well, I think it's a quicker battery. I don't know. It seems to be faster than what it was.
Coming in. Cool, dude. Episode 3. I hope you viewers are going to enjoy this. I think this will be more exciting to look on YouTube than the other one, wouldn't it?
Oh, I think they're both good.
This
quicker.
is faster. You can pick up, you've got a better choice of music for this one. This is faster.
Mm.
You can do a rockier one for this.
Yeah.
Now the other one, you have to try and be quieter because it was slower. This one, I'll put more rocky one on this one because it's faster. Doing a lot of hovering, isn't it, through the grass?
Yeah.
Wish they had those things where you can jump over. You know what? We should show this to Cole. I'm finally getting the hang of it. Huh? Say, what have you done to your body?
You'll get better and better.
And he was doubting me, wasn't he? Huh? I was doubting yourself about it too, actually. I just can't believe how easy I'm finding it today.
Well, there's a lot of space to use.
Good place, isn't it?
Mm.
We know where to come, so you don't have the silly goalposts. That's what was annoying me. It's wide open.
Yeah, you can't really hit much here, can you?
It's got freedom here. Here it comes. I've got about 4 episodes, haven't I?
Today we got, 4.
There's one we're putting it back in together,
Yeah.
and the 2 live ones.
Mm.
They'll all go on.
Just bit me on the neck.
This one seems fast, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? I was thinking the same thing. You didn't charge this one up though, did you?
Yep.
Oh, you did?
Charge both of them up.
I think this one's better.
I bought the same day. I have to pay extra on the day I bought the car.
Yeah.
The other one that was hooked up with for Christmas. So. I feel like a professional here, aren't I?
Yeah, you need to wear an outfit.
That's what I need to buy now. Don't talk. Anyone, you know, the racing car.
With a helmet and everything.
Jason, can you design something? Nothing like a snake today, isn't it?
It is. Bouncing around on those little tufts and that.
That's what it needed to change your body.
Is there a ditch there? Oh, he's gone up and over. Stuck, I think. Got in a bit of a ditch under there, I think.
Caught it. Get you out of there. That's why it wouldn't move. It was caught in between two things.
What was that?
Let's send that through the cricket pitch, shall we? Sorry, car. Didn't mean to. Try and see if it would. That's a, it is a cricket pitch. see? Doesn't lose power, is it?
Yeah.
It's not as long as the other one, is it?
No, it seems to be faster, but not as long.
It's alright, we had some good goes.
Yeah, it'll be here for a couple of hours. So. Is that real grass on that cricket pitch, or is that fake stuff?
I think it's the thing for the pit. You know, they're making the pit.
Oh, yeah.
Thicker in here.
Struggling now. Head back to the pits.
We'll get out of the thicker stuff.
Show Jason these later.
Hmm?
Show Jason these later.
What's in the things that's stuck in the axle there, is it?
There's a bird feather.
Hmm?
There's a bird feather in there.
Is it?
That wouldn't be making it slow down.
I'll try and get it out. I can hear the bit now. He's starting to.
Yeah.
I think it's gone. Had a good go.
Yeah, it was a good go.